So you're gonna set your first time, and you'll notice that there are these little words that show up right here. It says done, so that means that this button, once you're done, you push it and it'll go through. For your next, it's going to be your mode button, and there's a little word down there that says next, so you'll be able to move forward. And then on the right hand side, there's a plus sign and a minus sign, meaning that the start/lap button is your plus sign to move forward, and your stop and reset button is your minus sign to move back. So when we click on next, it's going to walk you through the time. It's going to go through the hour, hit next, through the time, and if you want to go up or down, you either push your start to increase the time, or you push your minus button to decrease the time. So there are the buttons on the right hand side. Once you're done with that, you go through next. Now this one is a little funky because you can't cycle through all the seconds for some reason, so they'll still keep moving forward. So if you do the minus sign or the plus sign, it'll set your seconds back to 0. This is just something to keep in mind. Okay, then you go to next. It's going to take you to your month and your day. So from there again, you go through and you add or subtract until you get to your current month. You go into mode. You keep hitting mode to get to the next setting that you want to change. So then you increase or decrease. Then you hit next. From here, it'll ask you about the year again. Decrease or increase using your plus and minus buttons on the right hand side. Go to next using the mode. It's going to ask you if you want 24-hour time or if you want 12-hour time, and you can change that by going through your plus or minus. Okay, then you're going to go through your date, so it'll give you the month and the date format. You can also cycle through the different formats that are available to you. There's 2. So then you click next,